Hello, welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to create a beautiful beach sunset landscape. Grab your art supplies and let's get started. For this drawing you will need a set of pencils, an eraser, blending tools and some colored pencils or markers to bring your sunset to life. First, let's start by drawing the horizon line. This will separate the sky from the ocean. Place it a little above the middle of your paper to leave more space to the sky. For the sky, next sketch the ocean below the horizon line. Add gentle waves by drawing curved lines to give the water some texture and movement. Sketch the beach in the foreground. Use smooth curving lines to represent the shoreline and add some details like small rocks or seashells to make it more interesting. Now let's draw the sun setting on the horizon. Make a semicircle that touches the horizon line, then add a few fluffy clouds in the sky to enhance the sunset scene. Add more details to the ocean by drawing more waves and ripples. For the sky, you can add birds flying in the distance and more clouds if you would like. Now it's time to add some shading. Start with the beach using light and dark tones to give it texture and depth. Then shade the ocean to show the play of light on the waves. Don't forget to add shadows cast by the sun. Let's bring our sunset to life with color. Use warm tone like oranges, pinks and purples for the sky, blending them smoothly to create a gradient effect. Color the sun in bright yellow and add reflections on the ocean. Use your blending tools to smooth out the colors and shading. This will make your drawing look more cohesive and polished. Define any lines and add more details where necessary. For the final touches, you can add highlights to the waves and the sun's reflections on the water. If you are using markers, go over the lines to make them more vibrant and defined. And there you have it, a beautiful beach sunset landscape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. See you next time.